So, guys, I heard a term that I haven't heard before, embarrassingly enough. I'm willing to admit that a term called FedRAMP. And apparently, Thomas, you're going to be at the Security Technology Forum on Wednesday at 8:30 a.m. talking about FedRAMP, talking about Comnet and Razberi and how all that fits together, as well as other devices like third-party network switches. We can rattle off popular names that are part of this FedRAMP program. But you're going to be there. Dave Sinise, welcome. You're going to be exhibiting at the forum for 2 days on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thomas, perhaps you can just give us a little bit of a understanding of how Comnet, Razberi, and FedRAMP are going to be something that somebody's not going to want to miss at your presentation. What information are they going to walk away with that's going to help them better their security program?
Yeah, so here at Comnet, we have an application that we call Monitor that is used to monitor your physical security devices and let you know what's up, what's down, what needs attention, whether it's a server that's not recording, a camera that's failed, or even a switch that's failed. So Monitor is now FedRAMP certified in both the cloud, on-prem, and what we call hybrid, which is where integrators can host their own cloud in their own environments. Or on-prem where the end user can also host their own cloud in their own environment and capture all this information, not only get a 10,000-foot view of what their ecosystem looks like, but also get alerts as soon as something fails, whether it's a hard drive failing in the RAID array or memory collapsing on the server or the CPU growing too high or Windows failing. On the camera side, camera streaming video, not streaming video, going up or down. And on the switch side, whether or not that switch is actively up and sending the data the way it's supposed to be sending.
You painted a pretty dark and stormy picture of how many opportunities for failure an IP system, an IT-centric system might have. So it sounds to me like they're going to walk away with some things to go back to their IT department and talk about, things to consider after they get done with your presentation. I'm guessing there's going to be a bunch of notes written down to go talk to Dave at the exhibit. Dave, what is your role going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday, the 25th and 26th there?
I'll be there at the booth, trying to answer all your questions, give you all the background on the Comnet and Razberi devices, anything you need there technically and untechnically. And we'll have Thomas there as a backup after his talk because I'm learning the FedRAMP stuff as we go here. But, last year, I got to say, we did the event and it was really awesome. I mean, it was a smaller venue, about 150 attendees, real intimate setting, where, the people that were there wanted to be there. So they came and asked real good questions. You didn't have a bunch of tire kickers, wasting your time. So anybody that came by, was well worth the time. So, I really look forward to this year, getting Thomas out there talking about the Razberi, the Monitor, the FedRAMP, and just seeing everybody out in the government space and the federal, in DC area. So we're really looking forward to it.
Yeah, we think there's a lot of people that, because of either COVID restrictions, right, historically weren't able to go to GSX or ISC West. So yeah, it's a great opportunity in a lot of people's backyard to come out and see what they missed. And honestly, like you said, maybe deep dive a little bit more than you would at a giant show on a national level, where you have so many booths that you need to make it to. In this case, it's a lot more intimate, like you said. So
yeah, it was awesome last year. And a couple of good customers came from Pennsylvania. Got to spend a lot of time with these folks and just get to know them a lot better. And all around it was awesome. I think it's the future of trade shows, by the way. So
okay. Well, let's move away from trade show and stick with forum, because we really are, I think, creating a forum where people can have some education in sessions like Thomas is doing, some application discussions like where you are, and you have such extensive knowledge of the ITS industry that can be applied to all different markets. It's not just ITS. So yeah, we're looking forward to having you guys there. We're looking forward to seeing all of our customers and partners and clients there. So October 25th and 26th in Arlington, Virginia, and we'll see you there.
Look forward to it.
Looking forward to it.
All right, guys.